Hello, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all will be fine. Today we will talk about the water changes shape. Water exists in all three states of matter. Ice is solid water. The water we drink is a liquid. Water vapor in the air is a gas. Water changes states when it is heated or cooled. For example, when we heat ice, it melts to form liquid water. When solids like ice are heated, their particles gain energy and start to move more quickly and pull further apart. If the particles gain enough energy, they move further apart from each other. The solid becomes a liquid. When a solid changes into liquid, we say the solid melts. If we heat water, it will boil. When water boils, it forms bubbles of gases, which are called water vapors. The particles of the liquid gain heat and move more quickly. Some of the heated particles move far apart and become a gas. This happens throughout the liquid, not just on the surface. All substances melt and boil. Different substances take different times to melt or boil because it takes different amounts of heat for them to change state. The amount of heat in a substance is called temperature. We measure temperature with a thermometer. Like other substances, water also melts. The temperature at which a substance melts is its melting point. This is when it changes from a solid to a liquid. The melting point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. The temperature at which a substance boils is its boiling point. This is when it changes from a liquid to gas. The boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees Celsius, but most of our water has small amount of other substances mixed with it. This makes the water boil at a slightly different temperature. Water also boils at a low temperature the higher we are above the sea level. We know from the particle model of matter that when a substance gains heat, its particles move faster and spread out. This makes the substance take up more space. We say that the substance expands. When the substance cools down, its particles move more slowly because they have less energy and move closer together. The cooled substance takes up less space. It gets smaller or contracts. But water does not always behave like other substances. When we freeze or solidify water, it does not contract as we would expect. Instead, it expands. This property of water also allows ice to float. Condensation. Condensation happens because the particles of a gas lose energy when they get cooler. This makes them slow down and move closer together to become a liquid. The process is called condensation and it is reverse of evaporation. Evaporation happens because some particles in the liquid gain heat energy. The heated particles start to move faster and move further apart. Eventually, the heated particles move so far apart that they escape from the surface of the liquid into the surrounding air. When a liquid evaporates, it changes from the liquid state to the gas state. This is called evaporation. Water keeps going around and around in what we call the water cycle. In the water cycle, water moves from the land and sea to the air and back again. The water cycle happens mainly because of the evaporation and condensation. By evaporation, water is evaporated to the air in the form of water vapors, and by the condensation, they will turn into the water again to form the clouds. The rain and snow that falls from the clouds onto the earth are called precipitation. So these three processes are considered to form the water cycle. Like the video and subscribe the channel for more videos.